lifestyle questions. What time do you usually wake up? Around 6:30 or 6 a.m. I wake up. Uh, how do you start your day? I start my day. First, I start exercise and and also drink consume warm water also. So I started my day with exercise. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat almond and pumpkin seed. How do you go to work or school? I commute metro service. What time do you return home? It's not tentative because it's very frequent. Sometimes I returns at 3 a.m. or sometimes I 6 p.m. 6 3 a.m. or sorry 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. or sometimes I return 10 p.m. also. What do you do after coming home? I freshen up. I freshen up and I eat dinner also. How often do you exercise? In a day, I do exercise. In early morning, I do exercise in early morning. What do you do on weekends? I took tuitions. I took tuition on weekends. How do you relax after a busy day? I listen song and I also watch a story or a film on Netflix. What's the best part of your day? I start my day with yoga and exercise, so it is the best part of my day.
Okay.
Sir, I have very limited, very choosy to make.
How often do you meet your friends? I meet my friend every day. What do you talk about with your friends? We talk about uh, everything. Sometimes our study, funny moment, and also sometimes personal problem also. Where do you usually hang out? We hang out uh, nearby in cafe and also my room and also in my room. What do you enjoy doing together? We enjoy watching movie and gossip. Do you prefer a big group or a small circle of friends? I prefer small circle.